Can you speak English but still struggle to speak naturally? So stop memorizing hundreds of random sentences. Instead, learn structures. Because when you learn a structure, you can create hundred of sentences yourself. Hello everyone. Welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. Today I am giving you 5 powerful English structures that will make your sound more natural. And number 5 is a structure when you want to express your opinion. So don't skip. Let's begin. If you are new here, I am Pragna Patel, and on this channel we learn English in a simple, practical and easy ways. Notebook ready? Let's start structure number 1. Structure number 1. As far as I know. મારી જાણકારી પ્રમાણે. This is a fantastic structure for replacement, I think. Examples. As far as I know, he lives in Dubai. મારી જાણકારી પ્રમાણે તે દુબઈમાં રહે છે. As far as I know, the meeting is tomorrow. મારી જાણકારી પ્રમાણે મીટિંગ આવતીકાલે છે. As far as I know, this is the best option available. મારી જાણકારી પ્રમાણે આ ઉપલબ્ધિ બેસ્ટ ઓપ્શન છે. Now repeat with me loudly. As far as I know, he is busy. Now next structure. I would prefer not to plus V1. ન કરવાની પસંદગી. This is a polite way to say I don't want to. I would prefer not to describe it. I would prefer not to go out tonight. Now powerful example. I would prefer not to make a discussion without knowing all the facts. બધી જ હકીકત જાણ્યા વગર હું નિર્ણય લેવાનું પસંદ નહીં કરું. Now next structures. There's a chance that. એવી હકીકત છે કે, એવી શક્યતા છે કે. Use this when something may happen. Examples. There's a chance that it will rain. વરસાદ આવવાની શક્યતા છે. There's a chance that she will come tomorrow. તે આવતીકાલે આવશે એવી શક્યતા છે. There's a chance that we might be late. આપણે મોડા પડીએ એવી શક્યતા છે. This is simple but sophisticated. Now next structure. The thing is. મુદ્દો એવો છે કે, વાત એવી છે કે. This structure is extremely useful when explaining a reason. Example. The thing is, I'm really busy. વાત એમ છે કે હું ખૂબ જ વ્યસ્ત છું. The thing is, I don't have enough time. વાત એમ છે કે મારી પાસે પૂરતો સમય નથી. This sound is more conversational than I can't. Now advanced sentence. The thing is, I want to improve my English, but I don't practice regularly. Now you identified real problem. Now last and structure number 5. What I mean is. મારો કહેવાનો અર્થ એવો છે કે. મારો કહેવાનો મતલબ એવો છે કે. This is extremely useful when you want to clarify what you said. Examples. What I mean is. I think it's not practical. મારો કહેવાનો મતલબ એ છે કે એ પ્રેક્ટિકલ નથી. What I mean is, I need some time to think. What I mean is, she does not follow the crowd. This makes your conversation smoother. Now let's revise what we learned today. Structure number 1. As far as I know. Second number. I would prefer not to plus base verb. Structure number 3. There's a chance that. Structure number 4. The thing is. Now last and number 5. What I mean is. So guys, remember, don't just learn English by reading. Read it, listen to it, repeat it and use it. Because English becomes fluent when practice becomes a habit. If you learned something new today, comment below. I will use these structures and practice daily. See you in the next lesson. Till then, keep practicing, keep learning, keep growing, keep signing. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.